Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Max class. We can start our class with dua for knowledge. Rabbi yassir, wala tuwassir, wa tarmim bil khair, wa bika nasta'inu, ya fattahu, Rabbi sidni ilma. Rabbi sidni ilma. Rabbi sidni ilma. So in the previous classes we done some exercises based on addition of integers using number line and without using number line, isn't it? Today we are going to do the rest of the exercises that we started in the previous class. So find the sum of 137. We have to find the sum of 137 and minus 354. So 137 plus minus 354. So here one positive number and one negative number. When one positive and one negative number came, we have to subtract that two numbers and put the sign of the greater number. So we have to subtract the numbers first. 354 minus 137. Okay. So the answer is 217. We got the sum 217. Then we have to put the sign of the greater number. So here the greater number is 354 and put the negative sign. Okay. Then the next question, minus 52 and 52. We have to add minus 52 and 52. So minus 52 and 52. Look at this question. Here 52 is the additive inverse of minus 52. So when we add the additive inverse each other, then we have to get the sum 0. So minus 52 plus 52 is equal to 0. Otherwise, Allah നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെയും minus 52 ഉം 52 ഉം കൂടെ വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും രണ്ടും തമ്മിൽ മൈനസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പം മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? 0 കിട്ടും. പിന്നെ സീറോയ്ക്ക് സൈൻ ഉണ്ട്, പോസിറ്റീവ് സൈനും നെഗറ്റീവ് സൈനും നമ്മൾ ഇടാറില്ല. സോ സി, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ സി. Minus 312, 39 and 192. Okay, first we have to add these three numbers. When three numbers came, first we have to take the sum of first two numbers, then we will get one answer, then we have to add the other number with the answer, we will get the final answer. Okay, then first 312 plus minus 312 plus 39. So one negative number and one positive number came. Then we have to subtract that two numbers. So 312 minus 39. Okay, 12 minus 9 is 3, 10 minus 3 is 7 and 2. So the sum of these two numbers is 273 and which will be the sign. Here the bigger or greater number is 312. We have to put the negative sign of that greater number. Okay, then plus 192, this number. Then we add these two numbers, we will get the final answer. So here the number is one is negative number and one is positive number. Then we have to subtract these two numbers. 273 minus 192. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 17, 8, then here is 1, so 81. Then what will be the sign of this 81? The sign will be minus, because here 273 is the greater number and sign of 273 is minus, so minus 81. You understand that? Moving to the next question. Question number D. Minus 50, minus 200 and 300. Minus 50, minus 200 and 300. So, first we minus 50 plus minus 200. We have to add. That's why I put plus sign here. Plus 300. Look at the first two numbers. Minus 50 minus 200. There is two negative numbers. When two negative numbers came, we have to add that two numbers and put the negative sign. So the answer is minus 250, isn't it? 50 plus 200, we will get 250, and plus 300. So the answer will be 50. Because we subtracted these two numbers and put the greater number sign. Okay, 50. Then find the sum of minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Okay. How will you find the sum of these four numbers? First we have to take these two numbers. When we add these two numbers, this is two negative numbers, we will get the answer minus 16, isn't it? Then plus 4 plus 16. That is, first we have to take the sum of these two numbers. Minus 16 plus 4, we will get minus 12. 16 in 4 minus ചെയ്തിട്ട് വലുതിൻ്റെ സൈൻ കൊടുക്കണം. Minus 12 plus 16. That is, we will get the answer 4, because 16 minus 12 is 4, and put the greater number sign, that is plus. So we get the answer. So today that exercise is over. Then in the next class we will study about the subtraction of integers using number line. Today's class is over. Assalamu alaikum.